given the Star Trophies for the technical categories for both indie and mainstream. Kaya punta muna tayo sa mga bagong henerasyon ng mga aktor sa pelikula.
Sadyang nakakabilib ang mga child actors natin ngayon and our young actors dahil at a very early stage of their movie careers, hindi lang ang pagpapakyut scenes ang ginagawa nila. Buti nakita natin ang napaka-challenging na kanilang mga roles.
Yes po. Ayan. Kaya naman kahit na bago ka pa lang sa industriya, pansin na pansin ang mga mauhusay nilang pagganap. Kaya ito, simulan na natin ang bahaging ito with the award for the Movie Child Performer of the Year. At narito ang mga cute na nominado.
For Movie Child Performer of the Year, Stanley Abulok, Swing. Quincy Calma, Unravel, A Swiss Side Love Story. Erin Espiritu, Papa Mascot. Jordan Lim, Rewind. Ewan Micael, Firefly. Jewel Milan, Ang Mga Kaibigan ni Mama Susan. And Althea Ruedas, Instant Nanny. And the star goes to Ewan Micael for Firefly.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Leonie Garcia.
Ito ang miss nito. Harap ka, Inay. Kinakabahan ako. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa PMPC sa pagkilala niyo sa akin na Best Performer, Child Performer. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Sparkle Family and syempre po sa GMA family ko. At hindi ko po makakalimutan ng Diyos. At inaalay ko po itong trophy kung wala po ito, wala po ako ngayon. Inaalay ko po ito sa Firefly family ko po. Kung wala po sila, wala po ako. Maraming salamat po.
Talagang nakaka-amaze ang mga new breed of actors na nagbibigay ng bagong mukha sa ating mga pelikula. Ang ating mga nominado sa New Movie Actor of the Year prove that hindi tayo mauusan ng mga galing na aktor sa pelikula at narin sila.
For New Movie Actor of the Year, Ron Angeles, Malyari. Ellison De Dios, In His Mother's Eyes. Shun Mark Gomez, Huling Palabas. Fino Herrera, Here Comes the Groove. Marcos Joseph Manuel, Unspoken Letters. Ninong Rao, Shake, Rattle, and Roll Extreme, Mukbang Episode. Charles Temones, Losers 1, Suckers 0. And Dustin Liu, Shake, Rattle, and Roll Extreme, Rage Episode. And the star goes to Dustin Liu for Shake, Rattle, and Roll Extreme, Rage Episode.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is John Fontanilla.
Wow. Good evening, everyone. I never thought I'd be standing here in front of you guys. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa PMPC for this award. This is actually my first time receiving this kind of award as a newbie actor. And maraming salamat po PMPC. Also to Regal Films, Ms. Rosel, for giving me the opportunity to be part of Shake, Rattle, and Roll Extreme. And to my virtual family, Sir Charlie, Sir Mark, Tito Dondon, and also to my GMA Sparkle family, of course. Miss Annette, Miss Joy, Miss Tracy, thank you so much. And I promise na mas lalo ko pong gagalingan and more awards to come, hopefully. Thank you so much.
Kaya naman, here are our future actresses of the year.
For New Movie Actress of the Year, Joribel Aguto, Tether. Ashley Diaz, Mary Cherry Chua. Aya Fernandez, Rookie. Zainab Harake, Kampon. Cassie Legaspi, When I Met You in Tokyo. Isabel Ortega, Firefly. Acel Serrano, Love You Long Time. And Pat Tingjuy, Rookie. And the star goes to Isabel Ortega for Firefly.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Benny Andaya.
Hello po, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Of course, thank you so much PMPC po for this recognition. And gusto ko lang po i-share, very sentimental po itong stage na to kasi dito po ako nag-graduate ng high school. And hindi ko po natapos yung graduation ko noon kasi may taping ako. And I remember that was during my very first year of being an actress. And now, 9 years later, ngayon tinatanggap ko naman yung very first award ko for my very first film. So, thank you so much to, of course, kinakabahan po. Sorry. So, of course, thank you so much po to GMA Pictures, of course, Miss Nessa, Miss Ange, Sir Bats, who is also here, and of course, to my co-actors, si Yuen, of course. Congratulations then, Yuen. Of course, Sir Epi Quizon, Miss Yaya Aguila, of course, Miguel. Ang dami ko pong natutunan sa kanila, so thank you so much. And of course, nanginginig po yung boses ko, pasensya. Of course, to my GMA bosses po, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, my manager, Sir Da, Miss Mean, Ate Dayan, and of course, kila Miss Lilibet po, Miss Gigi, Miss Helen, who have all trusted me. Thank you so much. Of course, gusto ko rin patiin po yung mga former managers ko who also was a part of my journey. So, Tito Oji Diaz, of course, Captain Luz, kay Nanay Lolid, and kay Tito Gordy who have guided me also along the way. So, maraming salamat po. Of course, Mama, who's here, thank you so much for all of your support. Kay Papa, kay Daddy, maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal. Of course, once again, PMPC, thank you so much for this award. I'm very grateful po and patuloy ko pong pagtatrabahuhan ang craft ko and patuloy ko pong gagalingan. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
To present the awards for male and female shining personalities of the night, please welcome the VP Admin and Finance of IntelliBuilders and Development Corporation, Ms. Cecilia Bravo, escorted by Mr. Miguel Bravo, Director of IntelliBuilders and Development Corporation.